Greetings, everybody. It's your boy PT here, Prince Tech. First thing you want to do right now is open up a browser. I prefer Google Chrome, like some of you. I'm going to open up OBS Project or OBS Studio. Now I'm going to click the operating system I have, which is Windows. It takes some time to load depending on how fast your connection is. I have a Verizon. I pay pretty high when it comes to my internet connection. So, boom, just like that. I'm joking. I'm pretty sure I just fast forwarded. Now we're going to click it. It's going to take a while to pop up. I'm going to click yes. Do I want to make any changes? I'm going to click next. We're going to fake read this. And please remember to see this location or this file name. Going to hit next. Also, fast internet. Joking, I definitely fast forwarded. Now we're going to hit finish again. It's going to take some time to load, but as soon as, oh, there we go. That's OBS Studio right here. It's your first time using it. No problem. First thing you want to do is head over to sources. But before I do that, let me close out this window so nobody's confused. We'll go all the way to the bottom where sources is. I'm going to hit the plus tab. I want to do display capture because you want to capture the display. It's going to say display capture 2. I'm going to hit OK. I'm fine with that. Check the first method and the second method. First one is automatic. Awesome. Leave that there. Whatever OBS saying they have, I'm guessing will be fine. Now I'm gonna look for where I can start recording. That is right here at the second tab. Oh, my bad. Now as soon as you click that, you will see a play or a plus at the right. That's how you know it's working. Right now it's working and it is recording. So now we're just gonna type in any type of website just to show you guys how exactly it works. I'm gonna just type in I'm gonna hit student.com. That's a very simple site. I don't need to stay in here for too long. Okay. Now I'm just gonna close it out real quick. I'm gonna stop recording. Now to show you exactly where this file is located, to show you exactly where this recording is located, I'm just gonna go all the way to my videos tab. At first I thought it was in documents. I'm going straight to my videos tab. Then I'm just gonna click on the most recent one. There you have it. Very simple. That's how you do it. So all I did was record the 30 insanely useful ways to whatever that website was called, and we are good to go. So there you have it, folks.